What is happening, y'all? Welcome back to Nocturnal Labs. I'm Neff. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to adjust your e-brake. We just installed some drilled and slotted rotors on our Armada, and I mean, we did the braking procedure for the rotors, and now we still need a little bit more adjustment for that e-brake. The rotors broke in pretty good with the pads as well. There was a lot of smoke, but I guess that was part of it for these drilled and slotted rotors. But I'm gonna show you guys how to adjust this pretty easily. Alright, so starting off here, we already took the tires out off. We have to take off the calipers. Got two 10mm, one there and one here, bolts that we have to take off. Once we take that off, we will be able to take the actual caliper off and see the piece inside where you can adjust it. Okay guys, as you can see, the caliper and the rotor have been taken off. Now the adjustment for these brake shoes is right under there. This piece right here, let me show you that. You'll have to turn that, just a couple clicks of work, and put everything back on. And make sure once you put the rotor on, you try to turn it by hand just a little bit, and it should feel a little resistance, not too much, but enough to wherever you push your e-brake, they will lock in place. Alright y'all, so there it is. Thanks to my driveway going straight downhill, so I gotta make sure that my e-brakes are well adjusted. But there it is. It held this big ass beast. I hope you guys learned something, and if you like what you've seen, hit that like, hit that subscribe. It helps out the channel. Thank you so much.